Hello students of class 10th. Welcome in English class session of second chapter Long Walk to Freedom. We will start from here today. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifice. Okay. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose sacrificing and courage can never be counted or repaid. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Means in these lines, Nelson Mandela have expresses about the person who becomes sacrificed in the fight of this सोशल इविल अपार्थाइड सिस्टम। इस अपार्थाइड सिस्टम से लड़ते हुए जो लोग शहीद हो गए, जिन्होंने अपना बलिदान दे दिया, उनके लिए ये लाइंस लिखी है नेल्सन मंडेला ने। ओके, एंड आल्सो सेड दैट मीन्स दैट करेज कैन नेवर बी काउंटेड और रिपेड। मीन्स जो साहस दिखा करके लोग जो सेक्रीफाई हुए हैं वह न तो गिना जा सकता है और न ही वो अदा किया जा सकता है। क्यों? Because those person not alive now. Okay, so I felt that day, as I have on so though many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots. And he also said that he was the sum of those patriots. Means उनके आगे से वो कहानी जो ख़त्म हुई थी वो शुरू होती है फिर से by the Nelson Mandela, because he came out from the prison and he is fighting the fight whatever they had fought, and they become sacrificed. Okay, that long and noble line ended and now began again with me. वो लाइन जो है ख़त्म होती है और शुरू होती है मंडेला के साथ। I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices has wrought. Means Nelson Mandela also said that he was unable to thank that people who became sacrificed because they were not more. Okay, so and he also said that means those person also not seeing that day because they won the victory. उस दिन जो उनकी जीत हुई है उसको देखने के लिए वो बेचारे नहीं हैं। ओके, The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. जो अपार्थाइड सिस्टम जो सोशल इविल थी उसने घाव बना दिया था उनके कंट्री पीपल्स के अंदर और उनके अंदर। ओके, ऑल ऑफ अस विल स्पेंड मेनी ईयर्स। सभी लोगों ने बहुत लंबा समय झेला था उस सोशल इविल को लेकर के। 300 साल बहुत लंबा समय होता है। ओके, and if not generations recovering from that profound hurt, but the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Sissel's, the Chief Lutlius, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Skew of our time, men of such extraordinary. Means in these lines Nelson Mandela have expresses about the person, those were not common person, extraordinary person who have done much more for their country and for the winning the victory. Okay, those persons, courage, wisdom and generosity that their like may never be known again. Means these good things and valuable quality of the persons means like may never be known again. ऐसे साहस, बुद्धिमान और उदारता के भाव और ऐसे व्यक्ति फिर नहीं जाने जाएंगे। Perhaps it requires such depth of operation to create such heights of character. Means ऐसे जो विडम्बनाएं हैं ऐसे करेक्टर्स को सामने लाने के लिए ही होती हैं। मीन्स चैलेंजेस। ओके, चैलेंजेस कम्स फॉर द you can say recognizing the human qualities and character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. You know, people is the greatest wealth of any country than the gems and minerals. मीन्स बहुमूल्य हीरे जवाहरात और रिसोर्सेज से ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल वहाँ के अच्छे लोग होते हैं किसी भी देश के, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. ओके, it's said by Nelson Mandela. And also finer and truer than the purest diamonds. वो जो है सबसे शुद्ध हीरे जवाहरात से भी अच्छे होते हैं, प्योर होते हैं. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. And Nelson Mandela said that he learned the courage by the comrades. अपने सहकर्मियों से उन्होंने साहस करना सीखा. Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. And he also learned taking risk by the men and women who become sacrifice in his country for, struggle on that fight against the apartheid. I have seen, stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imaginations. और कहते हैं कि बिना रुके हुए हमने आक्रमण को सहते हुए देखा, आक्रमण करते हुए देखा, और अपने लिए इमेजिनेशन फॉर द न्यू थिंग्स, मीन्स मन से जो है कल्पना जो है वो ख़त्म नहीं होती है अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the trump over it. And Nelson Mandela also said that, means the great man is not that who become fearful and who have no fear. The great person is that, brave person is that who got victory, conquer fear. Okay. He said the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. मतलब कि महान व्यक्ति वो नहीं है जो डरता नहीं है, बल्कि but he who conquer that fear. लेकिन महान वो है जो कि डर को जीत जाता है. Okay, that man. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin and background on his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. And Nelson Mandela also said that we should not hate the persons by their racial color and skin. And we should not hate to anyone. If we have to learn hate, then we can learn love also. अगर हम घृणा सीखते हैं तो हम प्यार करना भी सीख सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि for love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Means प्रेम की भावना मनुष्य के हृदय से निकलती है, घृणा की अपेक्षा ज़्यादा. ओके, ए नेचुरल क्वालिटी है. इवन इन द ग्रिमेस्ट टाइम इन प्रिजन व्हेन माय कॉमरेड एंड आई वर परस्यूड टू आवर लिमिट्स, आई वुड सी ए ग्लिमर ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी इन वन ऑफ द गॉड्स, perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reserve me and keep me going. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. In these lines, Nelson Mandela had said that he have learned good things with his comrades and persons when he have observed out from the prison and inside the prison. And at last, in last lines also, Nelson Mandela had said, man's goodness, good quality of any person is like a flame, एक लौ की तरह होती है जो कभी छिपाई तो जा सकती है लेकिन बुझाई नहीं जा सकती. ओके, इन दीज लाइन्स. थैंक यू क्लास, एंड नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग नेक्स्ट डे. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.